If you weld a lot of 45s like this together, especially with a MIG welder, you're gonna love this quick tip I give you today. It's gonna save you a lot of time and hassle. The thing about MIG welding 45s or any outside part of an angle is you have this sharp edge where you're starting, and that's just not a great place to start or weld. Now a quick tip is just to take your angle grinder with any kind of disc on there. You can use a flap disc, a grinding disc, a cutoff disc. It really doesn't matter. You just want to lightly grind off that sharp edge to give you a little bit more of a flat surface to start with, and that's going to make it much easier to get that wire started right there. Now, I know this might seem like an extra step in your workflow, but trust me when I say that knocking these edges off is going to make starting your welds so much easier and cleaner.